Do you guys know what stem cell research is? Do you know what stem cell research is?
I think so, yes.
Do you have like a position on it?
Not particularly.
Yeah.
Do you guys know what stem cell research is? It's basically where people take. There's two types of it. There's embryonic and adult stem cell research. People take the stem cells and they experiment on them and research about them to try to create cures and treatments for diseases such as cancer and diabetes and diseases like that.
Are you familiar with the types of stem cell research? Well, there's adult stem cell research, which is taking stem cells from like fat tissue or bone marrow, and then there's embryonic, which is taking embryos from in vitro clinics and then taking stem cells out of the embryo. But in order to get stem cells from embryos, like it destroys the embryo.
Do you have like a position on stem cell research? Do you know what stem cell research is?
I mean, it sounds good. It sounds like it's good to help people. I mean, I don't like destroying embryos. It's not good.
Not from aborted babies. I prefer it be done by babies that have already lost their lives. And yeah, I don't think that people should abort babies in order to do that. But for babies that have already been gone, I have no problem with that at all. I think it's actually good for research.
Okay, what about you?
Well, I've seen that when the schools this morning is having a whole day, all day project on it where the kids can come in there and interact and stuff like that. And I think it's great that they are trying to teach and let people know their options and stuff like that. I don't really have a big opinion on it. I think as long as it doesn't harm any lives, then I think it's okay. I think it's okay to do that. If it can save lives without destroying lives, I think it's okay.
I would say that it's bad to destroy an embryo.
How about you?
Well, I think it depends on the circumstances, really. Because if you might destroy an embryo, but in the process you could find a cure for something.
I think they should keep doing it if it's coming along well. I just think they should keep doing it if it's helping.
What about you?
I'm just wondering, like, with the embryos, they kind of like, I'm like, okay, but I guess if they go discard them, then that would be okay.
Right.
To do the testing.
And then they said it's helping. They coming up with cures. I think they should keep doing it.
Do you guys have like a position on that?
I think if there's anything that can help someone that's in need, I think it's, if we've got the science and if we've got the morality is there, then there's no need to, lay back and prevent it. Yeah.
My opinion would be, depends on how they get the stem cells. Getting stem cells from bone marrow, I completely would support. So, my wife and I had to make a decision. We had fertility issues, getting pregnant. We had to make a decision about how far we wanted to go down that path, and we decided not to go through in vitro because of the difficulty of having to decide what to do with the fertilized eggs, the embryos that are frozen. And I firmly believe that life starts when the fertilization occurs in the egg, and it becomes very ethically problematic when you have a fertilized egg and you're trying to make a decision about what to do with them. And so I understand your point that they're going to throw them away anyway. I think the difficulty that I have is creating them in the first place because of that, very